So the last stock that we're going to cover is Monday. It's up 3.5% over the 5-day. It's up nicely. It was up a lot yesterday, 9.5%. This is a stock that came up. Another member of the community brought it up on August 10th, and we're at September 18th, 19th. So in that time, I analyzed it, found that it was really nice discounted stock. I thought that their business was doing quite well. Bought into the stock. It's a 30% grower, and this is a software company, a little bit like QuickBooks out of Intuit. They have gross margins of 89%. So they're small right now, and as they get bigger, they're going to really expand their profitability. And they have good free cash flow at this time. The forecast, we've got 24 analysts covering this stock. It is not a stock that is going unnoticed. It's got a nice, good price targets there showing that the stock could be 42% discounted. And the growth is going to persist. Really nice growth in the future. So that looked really good. Profitability is going to expand nicely. So as I look at this stock and look at what the market's been doing with this stock, hasn't been doing much with it. It IPO'd, back to that IPO story. Remember, guys? Stocks run up after their IPO, and then they crash down. Market wants to get to know them better, and then over time it does better. The 1 year, the market has not treated small cap software companies all that kindly. And Monday's an example. But more recently, this stock's flourishing. And I think I did pick a good time to buy this stock. And this one here has really risen nicely for me over the 1 month. So this has been a nice, 19% gainer for me in about a month and a half. I think it has more room to go higher. So thanks to the member who brought this one up. We analyzed it, and man, we hit pay dirt really fast on Monday. Still discounted by 24%. And this stock could continue to expand its equity value because as it gets bigger, the fundamentals are going to change, and I think potentially get even more positive, more valuable. And this becomes more and more valuable over time. So Monday, really nice win for the small caps, for the software companies. And let's hope that software continues to rally, because I think it's been left behind, and there's no reason for it. They have terrific margins. They're really good industry that has created so much wealth. What are the charts showing on Monday?
Yeah, on this last pullback, it has broken several levels of support. So it broke one at about 231 and got down to this one at 178. So I'm looking back from this price that it's currently trading at clear over to here, and it found lots of support at that previous resistance point. Mm-hmm. So in my opinion, I don't see much of a drop after that. The next support is just right below that. So your downside risk from this price is probably less than 10%. But I mean, if you get back up to here, you're looking at a 77% increase. So let me pull out to a year. Let me stay there for a second. You can see this 21-day EMA. Once it crosses above that, it runs along that 21-day EMA for quite the period. Here it dropped below it for just 2 or 3 weeks. It gets above it, and it pretty much rides that line for months at a time. So let's drop it back down to a year, and let's see where we are. We just popped above the 21-day EMA, which is upward sloping. This looks like a really good opportunity. You have so little downside. You have 77% upside. and you're above an upward sloping 21-day EMA. You do have a little bit of resistance that you could face here at 222. There is a gap that needs to be filled, so you'll have some resistance there at 248. And then your next level of resistance will be about 261. And if it breaks above that, then it could actually surpass this previous highs. So it has
Excellent.
a few things it has to jump over here, but it looks like it's set up very good from a technical perspective. It's not overbought. Your PPO is in negative territory, but you had a bullish crossover on the 26th of August. On the quadrant chart, the relative rotation chart, it is showing relative strength higher than the S&P 500 and momentum stronger than the S&P 500. It reached a one-year low on accumulation distribution in August, and it's climbing back up with the highs still far above that. The money flow has gone from negative over the last 2 months into positive territory and is not slowing down. So this is a really solid time, in my opinion, to move into this one if you're not
Awesome.
already.
Well, thank you. I'm glad that I'm in it, and excellent analysis. Thank you. So that's it for the show on this occasion, everybody. Thanks so much for tuning in.